Today we are going to learn how to use HLookup. Horizontal lookup function in Excel sheet. HLookup is a useful function in Microsoft Excel that stands for horizontal lookup. It allows you to search for a specific value in the first row of a table or range and then return a corresponding value from a specified row within that table. So let's get back to the Excel sheet and check how to do it. This is Excel table where I have order IDs on the first row and then the unit price on the second row and the quantity sold on the third row. Now I want to use HLookup to check orders, values, or the order numbers, price in the row second. If we compare HLookup with VLOOKUP, there is difference that in VLOOKUP or in vertical lookup, we use to check values in the corresponding columns. If we check up the value of this, we would find the value in the corresponding columns. In this or this or this. But now we are using horizontal lookup. We would pick up the values in the first row and then we'll check its values in the corresponding first, second, third, maybe in any rows you want, you will check. So I just pick up these two values. One is this order value and the second one is this order value. Now I want to check the unit price for these two orders in the corresponding rows wherever it is. In my case, my prices are in the second row, so I would apply the HLookup formula like this. HLookup, I'm going to check this order price. I would enter the order cell, or maybe you can enter the value also. And then I want to check all this range and then comma, and where I want to check the value, I want to check this in the second row 2 and then comma and then false. Of course I want an exact match, and then I will close the bracket. So here we go, we got 21 value, which is the unit price of this order. Similarly, you can use the same formula for this order. HLookup and this, and select the range and comma and then row second and false and bracket close. So here we get the value for the order 4239 and the price value is $15 we got here. So this is how we use horizontal lookup function in Excel sheet. I hope this video tutorial would add some value in your knowledge. If you like this tutorial, then please do not forget to press the like button and subscribe to my channel for more such tutorials.